Because even that judge who said that we must appear and we have the right to go back to court to have an interpretation of that, said governors must be treated with decorum. Governors are not being treated with decorum when they appear before these committees. There's all manner of insinuations bordering on insults and harassment of governors.
Incitement of ground.
Yes. And at times, instead of even using the formal official media, you have bloggers planted in there for you so that by the time you're leaving the room, it's already out there in the villages. Is that what oversight is really?
No.
We must speak to these things. Yes, we must. And we must take a position as a Council of Governors on these matters. Yes. This corruption that governors are allegedly being harassed over with respect to audit, we want to be told whether the Houses of Parliament are insulated against corruption. Yes. And it's time to say things as they are.